Sup guys? It is day 17 of Leap to Lead. Are you super psyched? Hopefully you're still with us. And I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit today about parties and sponsoring. Basically, I just wanted to remind you guys again that the foundations of your business are PRV and sponsoring. If you're not doing either of those things, you're not running a business, right? So you really have to get your head in the game. You have to constantly remind yourself that the important things that you're doing are closing sales and inviting people to join your team. Why do we invite people to join our team? You joined, right? There's a reason you joined, and we all have our reasons we joined. Yesterday, we talked about a lot of those reasons, and if you'll go back and read that list, you'll probably very likely think of someone you know who fits one of those whys they joined, and you could easily offer them the opportunity of Scentsy to help fulfill that need. So don't forget that Scentsy isn't just wax and warmers and a small paycheck. It can help solve a problem that somebody has in their life, and a lot of us have financial related problems, so don't be stingy. Make sure that you are extending the opportunity to people. It's just like I've heard before, you know, at a restaurant when you eat, that person gave you great service, and at the end of the meal they always offer you dessert. Always. They just always do. And most people say no, right? Most people say no. But guess what she does next table? Offers dessert again and never stops, because she knows somebody's going to say yes, which makes it worth it. So don't forget to offer the opportunity like you would dessert. And if somebody says no, it doesn't always mean never. Sometimes it means not now. And just because one person said no doesn't mean the next person will, even if it's the same reason or a similar person. So I want you guys to think really a lot about booking parties this month. It doesn't matter what time of the month it is. You can always book parties for this month and next. There's so many different ways to party. It's never too late in a month to begin one. I don't even care if it's the last day. I've seen people have $500 in PRV put in on the last day and collected it on the last day because they needed to. Don't wait till then. But if you're not where you want to be, get there. Like, it's simple. There's tons of different ways to party. I would love to hear you guys tell me some other ways that you've partied. But a party in Scentsy, luckily, is anything that builds to 200 PRV. Anything. Any which way you want to do it, which is awesome. We are one of the only companies that has no limits on the ways you can party and the amount of times you can party. And you can be the hostess of a party as many times as you want to. So get there. If you got to get there, get there. So there's home parties, basket parties, online parties, catalog parties, text parties, just reorder parties where you follow it up with your customers and put all their reorders in, mystery host parties, all kinds of crazy amounts of parties. There's Zoom parties, bingo parties, theme parties, sip and sniff parties. There's 1,000 different ways you can party. If you're not partying, go party. That's the biggest contributor to your PRV. It's how you're going to get the most at once so that you're not picking and pulling all month long trying to get another order to get you closer and another order to get you closer. It's all at once. You get it all at once. It's awesome. So parties are the best, most effective use of your time. So if you don't have a lot of time to do Scentsy, you need to be doing parties so that you're not spending all day trying to collect orders and you're reaching your goals in 1 or 2 days a month. Because if you just, if you need 500 PRV, that's 2 parties a month. Anyone can get 2 parties a month of some sort. So make sure you're booking those. That's what that list of 100 is for. So keep going through it. Keep asking the right kind of people. Ask for referrals and push your way through it. So what I want to do right now is we're going to play a game, because you got to comment something below. There's no homework today aside from do your job. Do your job. That's your homework today. I want you guys to get parties booked. But just so that I know that you watched this video, we're going to do some word association. So I want you to comment below, not with the word I'm about to say, just your word association with that word. So if I say Uncle Jesse, you say, comment that below. Next up, we've got Laura Godwin again, with more people to add to your list of 100.
Now I want to remind you that you should be thinking very broadly whenever you're building your list of 100, because those people that live beyond your zip code are the ones that are going to really help you build for a lot of strength. Names in your zip code are crucial and they're very important, but names outside your zip code are really going to give you that long-term stability that you're looking for as you journey to lead consultant. So I want you to put your hand on the pause button because as I say these categories, you're going to think of, names, of course, and you're going to want to get those names down because you might forget them if you wait till after the video. So here we go. Ready? Finger on the pause button. Ice cream vendor, someone who's in debt, in-laws, insurance agents, someone who works with internet service, a janitor, a journalist. All right, here's for the K's. Karaoke acquaintances, kids contacts, someone associated with kindergarten, someone that just is that friend of yours that knows everyone, a landlady, a landscaper, a language teacher, a laser technician, a lawyer, a librarian, a life coach, Little League moms, I'm one of those, a local retailer. I have no clue what this means, but it says a lollipop lady, someone who's lost their job, loves to have fun. Do you know someone who just loves life? Think of someone who just loves to smell good or loves your Scentsy products. Someone who loves to shop. Someone on your Facebook page maybe that you notice that they love to travel. All right, let's do the M's. A mail clerk, a mail delivery person, someone who is on a maintenance crew, a manager, a manicurist, a massage therapist, a mechanic, a midwife, a mortgage broker, mother, a mother-in-law, a music teacher. All right, we're going to do the N's and then we'll call it quits for today. Nail technician, naturopath. I'm not sure what that is, but it sounds really cool. Neighbors, nephews, a new mom, a newlywed, nieces, night class students, a night class teacher, a nonprofit association staff, no shows at previous parties, and nurses. All right, so there is some fresh inspiration for building your list of 100. We'll take up with the O's the next time we do this.